How does ASMR for beginners work? Here is your special mindset session to unwind, reduce anxiety, and enter a euphoric state of relaxation. These empowering quotes are 18 of the best personal affirmations for building personal power, alleviating doubt, and increasing your inner exploration. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. Smile. It is the key that fits the lock of everybody's heart. Addison the Ambassador. 17. In the kingdom of the blind, the one-eyed man is king. Desiderius Erasmus. 16. Some people get an education without going to college. The rest get it after they get out. Mark Twain. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched, they must be felt with the heart. Helen Keller. Error is acceptable as long as we are young, but one must not drag it along into old age. Goethe. Men are moved by two levers only, fear and self-interest. Napoleon Bonaparte. Just think of the tragedy of teaching children not to doubt. Paul Anderson. The past is a source of knowledge, and the future is a source of hope. Love of the past implies faith in the future. Stephen Ambrose. Power tends to corrupt, and absolute power corrupts absolutely. Lord Acton. Love him and let him love you. Do you think anything under heaven really matters? James Baldwin. Space or science fiction has become a dialect of our time. Doris Lessing. You can't make everybody laugh. Just be obstreperous to everybody. Colin Quinn. We'll love you just the way you are if you're perfect. Alanis Morissette. Gossip is only the lack of a worthy memory. Elbert Hubbard. Society bristles with enigmas which look hard to solve. It is a perfect maze of intrigue. Honoré de Balzac. I put instant coffee in a microwave and almost went back in time. Stephen Wright. The good life is one inspired by love and guided by knowledge. Bertrand Russell. Sweet as a grief well ended. Aeschylus. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my law of attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.